Hello, today I'll be showing you how to transform Windows 8.1 into OS X facility. Now we will be using a skin and not a theme. In my previous videos I used a theme. The difference between a theme and a skin is that with a theme you can revert back into Windows 8.1 or any version easily. With the skin it's kind of harder to revert back, and with saying that, if you're going to go along with this video, it's not my responsibility if you break your computer, or not break it but mess it up. So yeah, I already messed it up a few times, but I know what I'm doing, and yeah, so let's get started. I will have a link in the description for the setup, and yeah, once you have that downloaded, let's start right away. First thing I'm going to do is create a system restore point. The program says it creates one for you, but it really doesn't. When I had a mistake, I went back and it wasn't there, so we're going to go create one ourselves. So go into your start menu and search restore. Click on restore, then click on create, and for the name type in Windows 8.1. It should take a while or a few minutes to create the restore point. Hit close once it's done, then hit OK. Now we're going to go into the folder that I will provide for you guys. Go into the setup or the folder, then click the setup, hit yes on the user account control, and the setup should start unpacking. Malwarebytes should block something. That's just Ad-ware that the program comes with. If it doesn't block it for you, just make sure to now click agree, next. Make sure you read everything. Now what I will not be installing will be Uber icon, because that gives you some icon effect and I don't like it. And also I will not be installing LeftSider because it doesn't work for all programs. It only works for the Windows, and it's kind of annoying that some will be on the right and some will be on the left. So I will not install that, but if you want to, go ahead. Once you picked what you want to install and what you don't want to install, hit install and it should start installing right away. The process should take a few minutes. Alright, once it's done, you should be able to click next and finish, and you pretty much have the skin. It might be a little bit derpy here and there, as you can see. This can all be fixed by restarting the computer. Like I said, it's a skin and not a theme, so it's kind of acting pretty weird since it just went through a big old change. And yeah, this is pretty much end, but it is longer because I will show you how to customize it and make it look a little bit more cooler, give it that more Mac look. So if you're gonna stop here, like the video and subscribe for more, but if you want to see more, let's keep going. So yeah, here's, I guess, the second part to make it a little bit more Mac lookish. Now of course the skin does install some Yosemite icons for us, but it doesn't install some for some programs like WinRAR. So I'm going to show you how to add a theme into WinRAR, and I have two Mac themes. One has colorish icons and one is kind of flat and doesn't look that good, so I don't use it, but hey, you might like it and use it. Anyways, these are the default WinRAR icons. Look pretty basic and they're not too attractive and don't go with this skin theme. So as you can see, WinRAR themes, I have two for you, and I'm gonna go ahead and extract them right now. Now I'm gonna open the first one. As you can see, there's two themes. The difference is that one is large and one is small, as you can see in the picture. I like these a lot. And to install them, you just click on them, hit yes and OK, and do the same for the other theme. And I'm gonna go back and do the same to this theme as well. Click yes and OK. To apply the theme, just open a RAR file or zip file, go into the options and themes, and select theme, and it should change right away. As you can see, those weren't that appealing, so I don't use those, but you might like them. Like I said, if we make the icons larger, you can see how the icons look, and they don't look that good. in my opinion. So I'm go ahead and change it to the other theme. You can see those are a lot more appealing, more colors to the theme. And you see that your RAR files are that icon now, and it looks pretty good. If you want the icons bigger, you just change to the other one, and it will make them larger. Or if you want smaller, change back. Pretty much. And that's how you get themes for your WinRAR to make it blend in with this Yosemite skin theme. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to customize the stack docklet with a stack program. As you see, the one that Rockdog comes with is okay, but it's a little bit basic. So we're going to use an external program. So yeah, it's going to be in the zip folder as well as the other stuff. And the program is actually called standalone stack 2. So yeah, cut or copy the folder where the skin pack was installed, which is your C drive, skin pack, Rocket Dock, and we're going to place this file in docklets. Now remember, it's a program, so when you want to add a new stack, you're always going to have to come to this location and run the program. I highly recommend you learn about this program because I cannot tell you everything about it, but please do not use the default presets that it comes with. I tried and it doesn't work. As you see, it already has custom Russian locations, like a Russian person used this before, and he altered the default presets, so it's better if you use a new stack. And I'll be showing you an example. So we're gonna create new. I'm gonna use my documents, find the location or the path, create new stack, and create a shortcut. I'm gonna delete stack off of it. You can keep it. It's better if you save it to the desktop and hit OK. OK. Just drag the shortcut to your Rocket Dot, right click, and add an icon. Where is my documents? There it is. Hit OK, and voila. And click on it. As you can see, the animation is a lot smoother, and you can also open folders via the program or the shortcut or the docklet, whatever you want to call it. You can open folders, go through your stuff, and it looks a lot better. And that's pretty much it. You can experiment with the program by yourself. And that's pretty much wraps it up for this skin pack theme, I guess you want to call it. Well, it's not really a theme, but yeah. Anyways, if you like the video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.